After 3.5 months, France finally gets to see numerous restrictions lift with the end of its state of health emergency. Among the most symbolic, stadiums can reopen, albeit with a limit of 5,000 people until the end of the summer. River cruises and horse racing tracks will open again, though nightclubs will have to wait until at least September. When it comes to economic and social measures, the situation is going back to business as usual. A prolonged suspension on evictions during the winter months now ends. Utilities companies can again cut off gas or electricity in the event of non-payment, and overtime pay will again be taxed. However, there are still restrictions on public gatherings and demonstrations, which has left some asking questions as to how constitutional it is as the government gets back to its pre-pandemic agenda.
We're talking about restarting the pension reform and the economy, which will both stir up demonstrations. The government and the Prime Minister can't take advantage of that to clamp down on the freedom and the right to protest. So the Constitutional Council has reminded people about the law that any restrictions coming back in must have a strict aim regarding the protection of public health.
The government has reserved the right to bring restrictive measures back in as needed, specifically in the event of a second wave of COVID-19. Beyond mainland France, the overseas territories of Guyana and Mayotte are still in the grip of the pandemic and will retain the state of emergency until the end of October.
And finally for you,